Alright, welcome back to RotoCityTech. We are continuing on with another project. On our Wolf Pup, we've got that 2-burner stove top that sits above the counter. You know, the newer ones are kind of flush mounted, and we don't use it all that much, so we want to be able to use that counter space. So I'm going to build a wood cover to go over that burner. That way we can set stuff on there on a nice flat surface. So first off, I already measured what I need to cover the whole thing. And I've got this piece of plywood that I'm going to cut. And then I've got just this fence picket that I'm going to use to make the side of the box. And that'll give us the height we need to go over that 2-burner stovetop. So actually I'm going to have to rip these on the table saw. So I measured out the height I need, and I'm going to rip this right here down to the size. that is our stovetop cover. The only thing we're missing is some handles. I tried to drill some holes in the side, but the Forstner or Fostner bits, whatever they're called, are cheap and they wouldn't go through it. So we gotta go to Home Depot and buy some handles, probably tomorrow, but that's it. Then we'll just have to show y'all a picture of it when it's in the camper. So we threw on our decal, if y'all remember, and we put some clear coat over it to protect it. Now we went to the store and we picked up some handles to put on it. They didn't have any of these smaller ones. We had to get these kind of longer ones, but I think it's actually going to fit it pretty well. So we're going to install those. So there that is, with our handles on it installed. Let's go try it out in the camper.
Let's go to the camper. Let's go.
Come on, Bubby. Okay, so obviously here's our stovetop. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. That handle's kind of useless.
Oh well.
So anyways, there's our stove cover. Now we can use this to even, if we want to set our stuff out here and use this space. So thanks for watching RotoCityTech. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram at RotoCityTech. So that'll be it for this project. Continue watching for more Wolf Pup videos.